Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Tixie from Magic Wands Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading. Who is lusting after you, and what are they lusting on, and what is attracting them towards you? So, we will look in detail in this reading. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wands Tarot, like, and share. Join us on Instagram. And if you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwandstarot.com. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, join us. This is a timeless reading, friends. So whenever you come across it, it will help you and resonate with you. I will also be pulling some initials and some charms for you in this reading. So, yep. And make sure to subscribe, because if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading. One lucky person will be selected for a free reading at the end of this month, at the end of every month, actually, by random name selector. So, one person will win it. So, that's all the information I wanted to give you. Let's take a deep breath, relax. Take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number 1. So lucky, this is beautiful. Option number 2, so lovely. Option number 3, the green card, so amazing. So relax, take a deep breath and choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section, so you can directly go there and choose your option. You can also choose more than one pile. You can watch the entire reading if you feel drawn towards that, friends. So let's begin with option number 1. Let's see. So friends, I have your charms also here, so let's see. If you chose option number 1, who is lusting after you? This beautiful, so lucky, this beautiful pink card. It's beautiful, nice. These are your love messages, these are your oracle messages, and what are they lusting on? We're gonna see that. Let's see, who is lusting after you? Oh my god. Wow. Wow, the person is a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person who is lusting after you, friends. This person is younger than you. I feel this person and you share an age gap, and possibly this person has their feelings hidden. They don't talk about it. So someone who has a hidden feeling, a hidden crush on you, they are lusting after you. Absolutely. And I feel they want to take action towards you, because the horse is like they want to move towards you. So yeah, someone is they want to watch it, they are watching you, they want to take action towards you. And I also see that this person may be from some other city or country, because I feel like there is some distance between you and this person. So they are definitely lusting, and they are trying to get your attention also by being sneaky or mysterious. So this person is really trying to get your attention. This Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, they are trying to hide their emotions, their attraction for you, but they are like, see me, look at me. They are quite like that, look at me. And who else is, let's see, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Yeah, so there may be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person lusting after you. I feel this person has so much of emotion for you, but they are keeping it hidden. It's like a tsunami of emotion. They have a tide of emotion, an ocean of love for you and passion for you. But this person is like, nah, I'm gonna hide it. I'm gonna pretend. You know, they pretend well in front of you. Maybe you work with this person. I don't know. Let's see what else. We'll see the cards. Emperor. Who? This person is like, they are very attracted to you. They want to dominate you, because this person is like, yeah, you know, they are passionate. They like to lead. And I think our viewers of who chose pile 1, you are leaders yourself. So this person is very attracted to your power, or maybe you're very kind. So they are very attracted to your kindness, you know, your beauty, your kindness, your long hairs. We'll go into that, but let's see who is this person who is lusting after you. They could be your boss, they could be someone you work with, or someone you study with. Yeah, definitely. and Nine of Wands. Oh, this person wanna win you over. They are lusting after you very, very badly, friends, and they are trying their best not to show you. They might even be defensive. You can feel this tension coming from them, this sexual chemistry, this energy of magnetism coming from them and between you and this person. But they are like, nah, I don't, they pretend well, like, I don't love you, I am not interested in you, a lot of those things are happening here. I also feel maybe this person is in no contact with you. Maybe they were very defensive or not open to your love. Maybe maybe this is a crush. You proposed this person, but they were like, nah. But I feel this person has a hot for you, they're really lusting after you. And they can't show you also because somewhere they are very egoistic and they are very dominating and they want to dominate you sexually. Look at that. Yeah, this person is your soulmate for sure. Look at that. Six of Cups. They share a very deep comfort level, or they feel definitely like this attraction. They feel it too. And they feel that this is attraction is because you both are soulmates, you both are perfect for each other. And they feel like this very happy person, like a baby with you. They feel very attracted towards you. They want to offer you gifts. They want to offer you, chocolates, lickables. You know what I mean, right? This is a lust. What are they lusting? They want to offer you lickables, chocolates, pastries, and what you say, put ice creams on you, cream on you. They want to, yeah, they. This person is really after you. And the Fool, yeah, I feel this person really dreams about you a lot, especially when they are going out or when they are traveling. I see them in a car and they keep thinking about you, looking out of the window, looking at the scenery, looking at the mountains, the sky. They dream about you a lot, like how it will be. I also feel this person sits out in the balcony at the night and they look at the moon and think of you, lusting after you. Ah, this person is amazing. They also feel a lot of new start. They want a new start with you, or maybe a fresh start with you. Maybe they haven't told you how they feel. Eight of Wands, yeah, they wanna do it on you, friends. Do it for you, with you. They are very action oriented, very passionate. This person wanna have like um, I don't want to say it, but yeah, they want to chat and have those hot chats with you, naughty chats with you, naughty conversations with you. This person is like, I can't wait. They want to take action towards you. If this is a crush, someone you have a crush on, you message them, someone new you messaged, yeah, this could be that person, and they are dying for you. They are like, I can't wait, but they are hiding it so well. Also, this could be someone who ran away from you because they were too egoistic or too immature or too not ready for love at that point. But now they are like, oh my god, I can't stop thinking about them. I want them. So yeah, Four of Wands. This person could be your twin flame, and this person sees you like, they think about you, they like you in the bridal wear, like those bride wedding outfits, man or a woman, they like to see you in those outfits dressed beautifully, and then they think about you making love to you. So they like that. They are lusting about that. And yeah, definitely they want a new start with you. Look at that, Ace of Cups. Or if this is a new person, they want to tell you they are dying for you. And, they want to make you feel very satisfied. That's what they feel. And that's what they want to give. They want to satisfy you. Ace of Swords. Ooh, this person likes to talk, or maybe they like to listen you talking because they feel very lustful or attracted towards your voice. So they like your talking, the way you talk. um, so this person is like, maybe they want to message you very soon. I feel like they want to take action towards you also. And they are also quite vocal about their love, their passion. So that's their style. And what else? So what are they lusting after? Let's see that. Ooh, wisdom. This person finds you are very attractive. You are very, they find you very, very bold. They find you very powerful, just like them. They find you also very caring. And that is what they are lusting after. They are like, whoa, I can't take my eyes off this person. And I think they like your bag, the way your hairs are. And, the way you care for people, maybe pets or anyone around, so they find it very enticing. They love and passion is not just something very physical. It never could be. It just isn't. It's just never isn't only physical. It's always about many other things. It's a layered experience. It's like a painting, which is layered. So that's how this person is like. They love your intelligence, they love your mind, they love talking to you. In fact, they love fighting, arguing with you also because it excites them, it makes them hot. And they like the way you look, the way you are intelligent, the way they want to dominate you also because you are as strong as this person. So they want to dominate you. And doggy style, I think they like that. Just not something we can say here, but you get my point, right? New beginnings. Oh, wow. I think this person definitely, has a fantasy to take you out in the nature, on mountain tops, see sunsets with you, sunrises with you. They also like your feet. They want to kiss the ground you walk on because, my God, friends, they are like, I am dying for you. I can't live without you. I have a tsunami of passion for you. You are my soulmate. But I'm so egoistic. I'm stuck. Now, what do I do? How do I come close to you? They want to kiss the ground you walk on, and they have some obsession with your feet, with your legs, and your lower part of the body. They are absolutely lusting after you. So let's see, and let's see what else. Balance. Ooh, very beautiful card. Look at that. I bring a state of perfect harmony into my world, and I do so without judgment. Yeah, this person is off balanced completely without you. I think this person was not expecting to find someone charismatic or this tsunami of love for you or for anybody else. I think this person is very arrogant and completely logical. They are not into emotions a lot, or uh, I think this person just fell in head over heels in love with you, and they are like, what? It caught them off guard. They were not prepared. If this person ran away from you, it is because they were scared, they were surprised, they were shocked, they were not they were not prepared. They kiss the ground you walk on. You have opened a universe of love for them. It's like a sequel you have opened for them, a universe. A new world for them has opened because they feel love, they feel emotions, they feel lust, they feel passions, they feel you are a soulmate, they feel you are a twin flame. They are like, oh my God, what's happening? So I bring a state of perfect harmony into my world, and I do so without judgment. Wow. So I think they want to bring balance into this connection and balance into their life also. And they find you very balanced. That is also exciting to them. Let's see your love message, and then we're gonna see some charms. Ooh. So friends, definitely this person wanna marry you for sure. They see you are a marriage material. Also, they are lusting and thinking about how it will be to marry you, have you as a wife, have you as a husband every day, spend some time with you. I mean, this person is completely in love with you, friends. And if you both are single, chance of marriage is there. They're definitely thinking of that. They see you as a marriage potential for sure. So let's see some charms. Lucky number one, who's lusting after them? Oh, I see the word nice. They find you very nice, very sweet spoken, very kind, and song. Yeah, they want to sing songs, or maybe you are a singer, musician, or they are a singer, musician, and artist. They want to sing a song for you, a nice song. And what else? Okay, QOR. There is Ria, maybe their name is Ria, or Arya, Ario, maybe their name is Rio, maybe they are from Rio de Janeiro. Maybe their name is Rao, Rao, or Aura, maybe their name is Aura. So a lot of words are here. And so these are the words. NICESONGQIORAO. So this could be a person's name or initials here, or it could be a message for you. You can also make more words. Let me know in the comment section. That's it for now. Subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram. Bye for now from Mystic C. Friends, if you chose option number 2, so lovely. Let us see this beautiful yellow card. Who is lusting after you and their charms, initials also. This is the romance angels messages. This is an extra card, oracle messages. Who is lusting? What is they lusting after? Let's see. Pile number 2, I'm super excited. So lovely. I think this person finds you very lovely. And yellow is like the energy of positivity. They feel very positive about you. Let's see. Who is this person? Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. This person is someone very logical, very confident, very bold, very outspoken. They could also be someone very intelligent and someone you find a bit cold also. I don't know, but it feels like that. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. This person could be who is lusting after you. Yeah, this person could be someone from you meet online or someone you know online. Let's see more. What else? Oh, wow. There's a lot of messages coming here. Justice. Wow. This person could be a lawyer, they could be a doctor, they could be a judge. I feel this person who is lusting after you is someone who has hurted you in the past or who has done you something wrong. They may have approached you in the wrong way, they may have hurted you, but I think they really, really are still lusting and passionately after you. They still feel a lot of emotions and passion for you. And maybe you feel like maybe you were once married to this person. It's your ex-husband wife, or you were wanting to get married to this person once upon a time. So that is this person. Or they could be someone who is a lawyer, a judge, or doctor, or someone you meet on the social media but you don't get along well with. So you don't like this person. I feel like you feel like nah, but they are still watching you, friends. They're watching you, they like you, they want success with you. Six of Wands. I think this person is quite successful, and so are our viewers. And this person is really like, they want to show off their success. They want to win you back again. This person is lusting after you because they want to win you back again, because they lost you somewhere or you don't talk with them anymore. So they are like, I want to win this person, I want to win them. And the Six of Pentacles. Yeah, this person wants to really, really balance things out. This is someone who doesn't get along well with you, or who did something wrong to you. Maybe they were very money focused, or they are very money focused, so they are focusing on their money, their coin. So that person is lusting after you, or this person may have put you in a third party. But they are still very connected to you. They still want to win you. They still want to go ahead with this connection. They still want to make love with you and be there with you. So let's see, who is this person? What is happening? Oh, the karma. My God. This person is definitely someone who has a very important past with you. Maybe currently you are not talking with this person, or they are currently in your life, like you are married with this person but things are not working out, or you were divorced with this person, or you wanted to get married but things didn't work out. So this could be your twin flame. This could be someone who wanted to marry you, or you wanted to marry, but they put you in third party, or you could never get along well with them, so you just moved away. But this person is like, I think this person thought they can live without you. They can focus on their work, they can focus on another person, on money, and they can forget you. But this person is like, they are now feeling all the passion for you, and it is like karma hitting them back. They have a lot of passion for you, friends, lot of passion for you, and somewhere it is so intense that you may feel it's like 50 shades of gray. This person is really, really into you. Look at that. They love your beauty. They love you. Are so fair. You are so beautiful, you are fair, you are balanced, and you are powerful. And look at that person. They are like, I want them. I want success. They want to win you at all costs. They want to make love with you at all costs. They can even give money, they can give you all sorts of gifts. They can give you like anything to have you back in their life, but they don't know what can they do now to fix this situation. They are lusting after you in a very self-obsessed kind of way. Hanged man. Yeah, this person is still stuck on you. If you are surprised, I think some of you are surprised to find this person is having the hots for you. Because you thought they have moved on, they are married, they are separated, they are like happy, they are so successful, they are focused on money. Why are they missing me now? They can't get over you, baby. They can't. They are stuck on you. They are absolutely stuck on you, and they are quite flexible in their bed and their body language. This person might be very attractive. They work out a lot. They do yoga, gymming, or also our viewers do the same. So this person is like, they are very attracted to you sexually. Very, very attracted. Oh my god, and their sense of lovemaking is very intense, very, very intense, acrobatic, very intense. Let's see, the Empress, yeah. This person sees like you are the epitome, you are the perfect person, you have it all. They can't find a person better than you. You were the wife for them. You were the empress, the twin flame for them, the divine feminine, the divine masculine for them. They see that you are in your power. You have so much to give, and they want everything to take. They want to kiss every inch of you. This person is like, oh my god. They are obsessed with you a little, I feel. They want like everything. They even want to have a baby with you, because they feel a little too obsessed. They want to have you. Maybe they want to marry you because they want to have you. And they feel like you are this ultimate woman, ultimate man, or this ultimate woman. And look at that, Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, this person wants to start things out again with you. If things are not working out, or you are in no contact, they want to start again things with you. And I think they want to kiss you while driving. It's their passion. Or in planes, or all, making love there. They want to do that. It's their fantasy. This person is a bit of a crazy, in the sense like they have weird fantasies. And friends, fantasies are usually weird. They are not supposed to make sense, because that's a fantasy. That otherwise, if it makes sense, it's reality, isn't it? So if you are like, how can they do that? Because it's their fantasy. Like kiss you in a car, on bike rides, in trains, in aeroplanes. They are like, ooh, balance. I think this person likes you in sheer clothing, furs, on all those, sheer, see-through clothes, and all those kind of sexy stuff. They really like you in that, because you are very, very beautiful, and they find you very attractive. So what are they lusting after? Let's see that. So I hope you identified. This could also be someone you don't like, someone you don't like, but they still like you. This could be someone, I feel, you are very angry or upset, or you think like they are not the right person, they are not a good person, but they are lusting after you. It's like a very 50 shades of grey. And I left a card below. Look at that. Oh my god, the devil. Yeah, they are obsessed about you. This person is seriously obsessed about you, friends, about your body, your mind, your soul, and they thought they can live without you, but they can't. They thought they can move on with something else, with money, or with pride, with another party, third party, but now they are stuck. They can't get you out of their head. and they are very passionate. This person is very passionate, like in a 50 shades of gray. They are acrobatic, and they are quite an intense lover. Physically they are very intense as a person. So what are they lusting after you? Passions ignited. Who This person likes the way your face is. They like to kiss you. They like your, the way you look when they are making love to you. And they also like, your tummies. They like your body, the way you are, like this ultimate man. If you are if she's a woman, she likes your shoulders. She likes your shoulders, your jaws. She finds it very attractive, very attractive. Accelerated motion, look at that. Wow, I think it is their fantasy to make love to you in a space shuttle or something, or on a star, or in a UFO or something, because this person is slightly obsessed with you, friends. Trust me, and they are like, once they start, they just don't want to stop. So that's how their love making is. Take you on a mountain, live there with you, and under the stars, just you and them, and never stopping, never looking back. So, oh my god, shouting out in the wild, shouting their name, they just love that. Whew. So let's see what else. Self-esteem. I possess gifts of the soul that benefits me and others. Yeah, I think this person was, very self obsessed in the past. Very egoistic, very cold. Somewhere you felt like this was a toxic connection in some way. But I think they are learning to love themselves or balance this energy. They still have a long way to go, I feel. They are trying to balance. And you, on the other hand, are just an opposite. You are balanced, you have a self esteem, self love. And they feel obviously you are opposites which attract each other, right? Let's see your romance angels. Also, I think when you say no to this person, or when you are like rising in your power, maybe they are your twin flame, and when they see you taking charge of your life, they feel even more attracted towards you and even more passionate towards you. So the more you away from them, the more they are pulled towards you. So oh my god, true love. This is the romance of a lifetime, friends. This person is your true lover, no matter what your situation is currently. Whether you left them, or you are separated, or you are not talking with them, whatever is the situation, maybe they are married, you are married. But I feel this is the true love. They know that you are the ultimate home for them, and that's how they see that once upon a time in the future, they will meet you. You both will meet, and together your souls will merge. That's how they see. Wow, this is beautiful. It's intense. It's intense. And also, this person may be stalking your social media. I feel like they have some, depression issues, some sort of a co-addictions, codependencies they have. So you may have left this person because they are a little codependent on you, like they can't live without you. They just need you. They crave your touch. So oh my god, this person is like you are the mother, and they are like this baby, and they can't let you go. They are like shrieking, crying. They will do anything to have you. They will do anything to have you. That's how it is. And I think that's why you left them. They were like, what is this? Oh god, option number two. Who is this person who is lusting after them? Let's see, friends. Very interesting. I think these readings are getting interesting, very deeper every time we do them. Even though I don't usually read them this way, I try to keep it neat and clean, because that's how I feel it's right. And yeah, so rain. Wow, rain. They want to kiss you in the rain, probably. Yeah, they feel very excited. They want to have kiss you in the rain, or in the shower, or maybe their name is Rain. Bo, maybe their dog's name is Bo, or they themselves Bo. Maybe they want to meet you, take you out in a boat. Bo is a boat or an arrow. What else? Bolt. Oh my god, you are like a lightning bolt. Your passions are hitting this person like a bolt of lightning, like this. Look at this. They feel like a lightning has struck them and they just can't live without you now. Like a fire has struck them. Look at this. A fire has struck them. See here? The fire burning in their heart. Wow, this is nice. Wise. Ooh, this person was not wise. They were not behaving very maturely in the past, but I do feel they are changing. They are learning to self love themselves and balance themselves and, leave these addictions. So, RAINBOLT, wise. There is another I, there is another P, there is another X, there is another J. There is another C here and U. So you can make other words also out of it. Let me know. I can make only these for now. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday. Bye for now from Mystic C. So friends, for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful green card, so amazing. Let's see who is lusting after you, and some initials and charms also. Wow, this is like some person is, green is about healing. Green is also about a lot of heart and emotions. Let's see. This is your romance angels. This is some extra guidance, and this is what they're lusting after, what they like in you. Let's see who is this person lusting after you. Ooh, 7 of Swords. Someone who ghosted you, someone who is very sneaky, someone who you can't trust, someone who keeps coming in and out of your life, someone who breaks their promises, someone who is quite elusive. That person is lusting after you. It could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. This person is like, I play the game and you always fall for me. Look at me, baby. Oh God, this is a very smart person. They are very smart. They are very charismatic. I feel they are very good talker. Like, look what I said right now. I think it was their own message to you. They are very catchy with their words. They are like very clever. This person could be a salesman. They can sell you anything. They can sell you they can sell you the earth and you may buy it from them because they are so believable and they are so charming. Oh my God. So that person is lusting after you, someone who ghosted you, or someone who keeps in and out, or someone you feel is like quite an interesting person, but you don't know what's going on with them. Someone who is a bit mind gamer, who plays mind games, or who is a ghost, who ghosted you, blocked you, who keeps coming back, and keeps messaging you, but they don't commit to you. That person is lusting after you. Tower, oh my God, someone you had a major fight with, that person, someone you had a major breakup with, or someone you just don't want to see again. That person is lusting after you. I also feel this could be someone who lives in your building or in your neighborhood or in the same office. They work with you and they're like, haha, I see you every day. And you're like, oh my God, again this sneaky person is here. You are like, when you see this person, you're like, I'm out of here. And they're like, I'm here. They're quite interesting. And the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So there could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person also lusting after you, or this person who ghosted you, they want to come back and message you. This they want to, I think they may have messaged you recently. They are still, into you. They want to, this person likes to tease you. They like to tease you. They like to come back and poke you and like, hey. Yeah, they might be messaging you very soon, or they have already messaged you. I also feel they have in their mind to message you. 9 of Pentacles, they see that you are very, very focused, and that's what this person finds very exciting about you and very challenging at the same time. You are very focused on your goals, on your dreams, on your money. If you are a student, you can't be, your concentrations are great. You don't want love. And this person is like, see, I want a relationship. Let's do it. And you are like, nah. Ooh, they like this focus in you. They like that you are doing so well in life. They like you are famous or rich or focused, and they like the way you dress up every day. I think you may have put some pictures, or they see your pictures and they feel very, very connected with them, very attracted to them. The way you dress up, these long skirts or these dresses, or maybe the formal wear you wear, they just love it, they love it. And what else? Five of Swords. This person is like very sneaky friends. I think they like you. They are lusting after you, but they just don't tell anybody. They keep people guessing. That's how they are. Also, they have ghosted you, and they might have blocked you also, but they are still talking about you to their friends. They are still very much attracted to you and very much lusting after you. And Five of Swords is like, this person is they keep everybody guessing what they are up to. They might be, I don't know, I feel like they might be telling other people also, you are so beautiful, other affairs also. They might be in other affairs. Yeah, let's see what else. The Knight of Swords. Ooh. So this person could be someone you have met online, or you talked online with mostly, or someone from another city or country also, or right now they are in a different country. I feel this person want to charge into your life and just sweep you off your feet with this love. And they want to take you on a horse ride, kiss you, and they want to just not stop making love to you. They are like, I will not stop, I'm gonna go all the way in, I'm not gonna stop no matter what you say. I think this person is even blind to the fact that you are not interested in them. Because Five of Swords is, they just can't see anything. They, whatever they think, that's their reality. So yeah. And I think this person want to charge to you, and really they like your back. They like you from the back. They want to do things from the back side, because that's how, pull your hairs and all that way. Four of Cups. Yeah, this person also want to take you out on a resort or a ski, or for some hotels or some lunches, dinners. And you may have met this person while traveling on a trip also, I feel. Or they are traveling currently, so they are like, they are missing you there. They are like, what if you were there with them? So they are missing you. Three of Pentacles. Yeah, this person want to write letters, or they write long messages to you, but then I don't know if they send it. I do feel most of them send it. They write a lot of notes and all those things. They maybe someone you study with or something, so they really want to work things out with you. And I think they are lusting after you because you are so intelligent and you are so focused. They are like, I will break their concentration, I can't let this person study, because you just ignore them. You even, I think our viewers are like, this person doesn't exist. And this person is like, they have taken it as a challenge to attract your attention and make you smile or disturb your peace. So they are a bit naughty. They are a bit naughty, like Charlie Chaplin. They are a naughty person. And their idea of love making, lusting, is like, they want to have some candle nights, and some chocolates and all those things, and maybe resorts, all those hotels, beaches. That's their idea. Beach, going out on the beach with a horse, taking you in a carriage, all those, they are lusting for it. And Queen of Wands, my god, that's why they love you. Look at that. They know you, there is nobody like you, they know that. And they see you like this alpha person, like this alpha male, alpha female. They are like, whoo, she's the one, he's the one. And I think this person keeps getting caught up in their emotions, and their mind is a trickster, but they kind of keep falling in love with you no matter how hard they try to stop it. And they love the way your smile is, they love the way you dress up. They also want to, I think this person likes, what are they lusting after? They want you to take charge, they want to be bullied by you, not in the bad sense of the way, but like, just you dominating them. They like that. They find it exciting, you taking charge, you giving them orders, do that, do this, they like it. They like that. I hope you got what I mean, right? And they love you in golden, anything golden, anything yellow, they love it. They love it on you. They also want to see you with a crown. They like it. They really like it. Just in a crown, they would love it. Let's see what are they lusting after. Three of Cups. Wow, this is interesting. I think this person is really someone very romantic, even though they are very passionate about you and lustful about you, towards you. But this person likes to have, a date, take you out in a bar, have a dance with you, take you out on a romantic beach date, on a stroll around the lake or the water, watch the stars make hearts in the sea sand, so they are quite about it, and take you, hang out with your friends, their friends, they are all about it. And what are they lusting after? I think this person is like they want you to dominate them, really. That's what I feel. And I think I also feel I don't know if it's appropriate to say this or not, so I'm trying to choose the best words here. I think they want to raise a toast. Yeah, they want to, how do I say? They want to drink you, friends. That's for sure. They want to drink you all up. That's for sure. That's the best possible decent way I can say it. And spiritual union, yeah, they feel very connected to you, like body, mind, and soul. And they don't understand what is going on. I don't think so. This person has a clue what's going on, but they like these forehead kisses, they like to connect with your third eye chakra, they like to put their hands on your heart, and crave hearts in the trees, desks, crave some hearts. And they this person, I don't think so they understand what this connection is, but it is a spiritual connection. It's a very deep connection. They feel very connected to you, but they are not, I don't think so they are so aware that what is going on, this is a spiritual thing, then that's why they feel so drawn towards you. And I feel they want to kiss you, they want to have a body, mind, and soul connection with you. That's what they are lusting for. They are lusting for friendship as well as love and passion. They just can't, this person can't differentiate between these three. They are one and the same thing: love, romance, and passion. All three are together for them. Let's see what else. Trust. Yeah, you don't trust this person. Absolutely not. I think this person also doesn't trust their mind, because the mind is very tricky. Sometimes they can fall in love or propose a lot of people at the same time, even though they are attracted to you. So they are learning to trust their own emotions. I accept that my inner voice will always guide me correctly. They are learning to trust themselves, their heart. This person doesn't trust their heart. But they trust you, but you don't trust them. So trust is a big issue here. A lot of issues actually. But they love you in a very beautiful way. It's very beautiful. It's like they want to have a party with you, make love with you. It's like tell their friends, she's mine, he's mine. Very pretty. Let's see, advice. Give your relationship a chance, work on your partnership. Yeah. So definitely they want to come back. They will message you very soon. I feel they might have already for some of you, or they will in the future. Let's see some initials. Oh, lots of O here. Let's see, what are the words? Dam, yeah, maybe they live where there is a river, there is a dam. Dam is like on a river or an ocean. Dams are built, so they want to take you out on a dam, on a river, on a picnic, and then make love there to you. So that's, or where they live, there is a dam near. Lion, oh. This person is like a lion, or they want to behave like a lion towards you. They also see that you are a lion, a lioness. Aries, Leo, Sag. They want to show off just as you are, so amazing. And Ria could be a name for some of you. Ria. There is also you. Yeah, this person is obsessed about you. They can't layer like you. They can be with anybody, but then they come back again to you. and that's how they feel. And o, double o is also there. There is also n. So these are the words for you. D, if you can make more words out of it, amazing. These are the words: DAMLION, RIA, and triple times U, and double O and L. That's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye for now.